How to handle evictions legally and professionally. Evictions are one of the most challenging parts of being a landlord. While no property owner wants to remove a tenant, sometimes it becomes necessary whether due to unpaid rent, lease violations, or property damage. Handling the process legally and professionally is crucial to protect your investment, avoid legal trouble, and maintain your reputation as a landlord. Here's a step-by-step guide to managing evictions the right way. 1. Know the law in your state. Eviction laws vary by state and even by city. Before you begin, research local regulations regarding notice requirements, acceptable reasons for eviction, and court procedures. Acting outside the law could lead to costly delays or even dismissal of your case. 2. Document everything. Keep thorough records of rent payments, communications with tenants, and any lease violations. Documentation is essential if your case goes to court. 3. Communicate clearly with tenants. Sometimes issues can be resolved without eviction. Send a written notice explaining the problem, for example, unpaid rent or lease violations, and give tenants a chance to correct it before proceeding. 4. Serve proper notice. If the tenant does not correct the issue, you must serve them with a legally compliant eviction notice. This notice should include the reason for eviction, the time frame to remedy the issue if allowed, and the next steps. 5. File for eviction in court. If the tenant doesn't comply after receiving notice, the next step is to file for eviction in your local court. A hearing will be scheduled where you'll present your case and documentation. 6. Never attempt self-help evictions. Avoid changing locks, shutting off utilities, or removing belongings. These actions are illegal in most states and can result in fines or lawsuits against you. 7. Attend the court hearing prepared. Bring all records, lease agreements, notices, and communication logs. Be professional and stick to the facts. Judges appreciate landlords who follow the rules and remain respectful. 8. Work with law enforcement for removal. If the court rules in your favor and the tenant still refuses to leave, only a sheriff or authorized officer can legally remove the tenant. Never try to do it yourself. 9. Handle belongings properly. Some states require landlords to store or allow tenants to retrieve their belongings after eviction. Be sure you understand and comply with these rules. 10. Learn from the experience. Evictions are stressful, but they can highlight ways to improve your tenant screening, lease agreements, and communication. Stronger systems can help prevent future issues. Final thought, evictions should always be the last resort. By handling the process legally and professionally, you protect yourself, respect your tenants' rights, and safeguard your rental business.